Happy Tuesday, everybody. Um, Quick video today. I don't have a lot of time for scripting, but I just wanted to talk about maybe where I'm going next. So my goal, over the next few months, maybe the next year, is to build um, a lot of scripts that give me a lot of different layers of how my Power BI ecosystem is doing. So my first layer that I've been building over the last week or two are backup strategies. So backing up my both my Power BI semantic models and my reports. I still have a little bit to do with that, but I'm liking where it's going. Um, One of the big challenges, at least from a semantic level perspective, is when I was exporting the models, I was using the Fabric CLI. That would bring down the TIMDL files. And that gives me the semantic model structure, but it doesn't necessarily allow me to actually publish it back. But I did come up with a nice strategy where I can actually have kind of a templated blank Power BI PBIP sitting out there and it just kind of switch it out. And that would give me the ability to then publish that data or that semantic model back up. And then I have um, kind of a version history of how that's changing. Um, Still need to set that up on a frequency too. This isn't, I'm not doing this in a prod environment, so it's still an up in the air how we'll do that. And the next thing that I kind of worked on was um, difference tools of the files that I'm version history, so I can look very quickly and see um, of everything that I have, what has changed. And what I've like about that is I'm not looking at one thing at a time. I'm kind of looking at my entire Power BI ecosystem or workspace, and it quickly tells me, oh, these are the reports that no longer exist, or these are the things that specifically changed, were added or deleted from the report. So those tools are coming along well as well. Um, Next, what I'm gonna do a little bit of is quality control now. And there's probably gonna be a lot of different layers to this. One of the layers is just refresh schedules. Are they failing? Why are they failing? Another layer are maybe my measures in my semantic models. Do any of them have error messages? Calculated column, same thing. Um, Also, I've seen John Kursky do Microsoft Playwright, and what that tool does is it allows people to kind of cycle through all of their reports, and you can find visual errors. So that's something else I'm gonna integrate into my quality solution of what I have going on. Um, there's a lot that we could do with quality, even just how often the model's changing or measures in the measures are changing or being added. Um, a lot of different things. Access, who has access to what could be even lumped into the quality. I think um, I still have some uh, brainstorming to do of what that quality package will look like with all of this. And then after that, it's going to be, let's see, performance tuning, maybe what type of tools or things that I can create to do performance tuning on my models and we can kind of go from there. But overall, I think what I'm trying to do is keep everything, I call it like the one to many perspective. I'm not doing it any of this on a single model. I'm doing this across my entire Power BI ecosystem. Um, and that makes it a lot more optimized, a lot quicker to be able to not just do these little things on each object within my Power BI ecosystem, but on everything at once. Um, so that's kind of my what I like to try to do with this. And for governance or maintenance, quality controls, that you kind of have to do that anyways. So, um, but again, like I was not a scripting video today, just kind of talking about what I'm going to be doing next. Hopefully, I'll have a little bit more time this weekend and I can kind of get into finishing up some things with um, the my backup strategy and then moving on to potentially some ideas with the quality. And then hopefully at the end, like I'll have a very good kind of just overall solution or platform, you may call it, of how well is my Power BI ecosystem doing. And I'm kind of excited for that. I don't want to rush this. I kind of want to go through it and refine things too. Because a lot of this I'm just creating. You get to see me create it. That's kind of the purpose of this is just you get to walk through this development with me, and I'll kind of bring you along. But my goal is to help others or motivate others to maybe learn some new things with Power BI, maybe give you ideas of how to have maintenance plans, backup plans, things like that with your Power BI ecosystem too. So I hope this helps. If you have ideas and if you're doing anything, please share them. It'd be great for just to kind of see what everybody's doing and have all that information. So I like to learn a lot too. So, but I hope everybody's having a blessed Tuesday, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day, everybody.